Some Central Ohioans are now getting a third dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. This week, Columbus Public Health started offering Pfizer booster shots to certain patients.
NBC4's Catherine Ross explains who's eligible and why health leaders are encouraging some to get that extra dose.
The health commissioner here tells me about 52% of the community is now fully vaccinated. She says it's critical that we get those numbers up. But for some people who've already had 2 doses of the Pfizer vaccine, it's also an important move to get a booster. As soon as Columbus Public Health started offering them, Ronnie King didn't waste any time getting his booster shot.
I got it as soon as possible. Basically, I want everything to get back to normal here in the United States.
Now over 65, he's among the groups cleared by the CDC and FDA for the 3rd dose of Pfizer, at least 6 months after their 2nd dose.
When we get older, we just don't always mount a strong immune response, as well as those individuals who have underlying health conditions. Those individuals should definitely get the booster shot.
Columbus Public Health Commissioner Dr. Mashika Roberts explains the health department is also allowing booster shots for adults living or working in environments with high exposure to the virus.
I encourage anyone who's eligible to really think about it, to talk to their healthcare provider or talk to their vaccine provider.
Sherry Blaine just got her 2nd dose and is already planning to get the booster when she's able to protect herself and her granddaughter.
If you're setting a fence and you don't know why you should or shouldn't, look at one of your babies.
It's the same reason Dr. Roberts is encouraging everyone to at least get the primary series of the shot. She says boosting the entire community's immunity is critical in stopping the pandemic.
Because that is equally important, if not more important, that we get people who have no vaccine protection protected as soon as possible.
Columbus Public Health is offering the vaccine here at its main building as well as several community rec centers on certain days. It's also rolling out a drive-through vaccine clinic at several fire stations starting next week. You can find all of that information over on NBC4i.com. Local for you in Columbus, Catherine Ross, NBC4.